Hello YouTube family. Just wanted to say, I don't know, just wanted to make a video because I haven't been here in a little bit. But right now I am in my kitchen getting ready to eat. What am I gonna eat? I don't know, something healthy though. But I just wanted to say I got a lot of messages about the DVD giveaway, and I promise you I'll have a video up about that by tomorrow. So far I've been doing good. Been doing my exercise DVDs. I haven't been home to do my Turbo Jam, but I have other fitness DVDs that I'm currently doing. I guess I do a little body shot. I wish I had my tape measure with me so I could do the measurements, but I don't have it. So guess no measurements until next Monday. That's all I gotta say. This video is, I don't know, it's weird to me, but I'm still upload it since I haven't had a video in a minute. So toodles.